Spelling list. Primary 3. Term 2. Spelling 14. 1. The disaster is caused by a huge explosion. 2. It is dangerous to play with sharp objects, such as scissors and knives. 3. The fatal accident happened yesterday. 4. John said, "It's unusual for Tom to be here so early." 5. It was Grandma's birthday, and we celebrated the occasion as a family. 6. It is necessary to brush your teeth twice a day. 7. The eagle swooped down and caught the helpless mouse. 8. The droplets of inspiration blurred her vision. 9. When he was informed of the heartbreaking news, he simply stared into space. 10. The teacher's words fell on deaf ears as the students continued chattering despite her reminder to stop talking.